Welcome to Digital Literacy for the Modern Workplace. Our goal today is to understand basic computer and internet concepts. We'll start by making technology approachable for everyone. Next, we'll explore how to leverage powerful tools like Word and Excel to streamline your work and boost efficiency. We'll cover best practices for online communication, ensuring your interactions are secure, respectful, and effective. Discover how cloud platforms enable seamless teamwork, allowing you to share, edit, and innovate together, no matter where you are. Finally, you'll have the opportunity to showcase your new skills through practical assessments, reinforcing your confidence and competence. Why digital literacy matters. Digital literacy in the workplace is essential for nearly all modern jobs. Increases productivity and communication, enhances employability and career growth. Computer Basics Overview. Hardware includes physical components like your keyboard or monitor. Can someone provide another example of hardware? Also like a mouse or CPU. Software is referring to programs that run the computer, for example, Windows or Mac, for web browsers, Chrome or Safari, and software applications like Word or Docs. Let's discuss operating systems and navigation. Windows is generally more budget-friendly and customizable, whereas Mac OS is often a premium choice, favored by creative professionals, and offers a more streamlined and integrated ecosystem. Both of these are operating systems. To find your taskbar, look for the bar of icons usually at the bottom of your screen, which provides access to programs, settings, and notifications. The main menu bar is typically located at the very top of an application window, containing File, Edit, and Viewing options. File management means creating, saving, and organizing files. This can be done by using folders and file paths. Group related documents together, delete or archive unnecessary files, and regularly clean up your system to maintain order. Also be sure to back up important data.
There are a few ways that you can share documents within Google Docs, and we access them all through the Share button. By clicking on this button, we're brought into a dialog box that allows us to determine exactly who we want to share the document with. We can enter people's email addresses here, and then the document will be shared with them through email. Or you can go down in the bottom and you can grab a link. If you get the link, you can share that link through any method you choose, and anyone with the link will be able to see the document. You can control what they can do with the document by going in and selecting that they can view the document, which means they can only see it, but they cannot modify the document in any way. They can be a commenter on the document, so they can give you feedback on the document, or they can be an editor, in which case they can actually change the document. Any changes that they type in will be reflected in the original document that you sent to them. So you've got lots of control over how people access the document and what they can do with the document that's shared when they have access to it. Sharing documents in Google Docs, it is just that easy. Did we answer your question? If so, a like, a share, and of course a subscribe would all be greatly appreciated. Now, are there any other tutorials that you want us to create? If so, drop us a note in the comments and we'll see what we can do. Till next time, I'm Steve Dotto. Have fun storming a castle.
Text formatting settings control the appearance of individual characters or words. Font changes the typeface. Adjust the size of your text. Apply emphasis with bold, italics, or underline formatting. Change the color of your font. There's also advanced formatting, such as superscript, subscript, or strike-through. Paragraph formatting options apply to entire paragraphs, which are blocks of text separated by a hard return. Alignment, line and paragraph spacing, indentation, create organized, sequential lists using bullets or numbers, and add borders and background color to a paragraph to make it stand out. These are key essentials when using a spreadsheet in Excel or Sheets. Data entry and formatting basic formulas and functions, which you can always find on the help page or Google to make your sheets more efficient. Creating and interpreting charts. A visual will always add depth and insight to your report. Always write clearly, concisely, and professionally, while maintaining a respectful tone. Key skills include using clear subject lines, proofreading for errors, using proper formatting, and responding promptly. Click the CC or BCC field and add the email addresses of recipients who need to be informed but are not the main recipients. You can also use your email communication to schedule meetings and reminders. To use search engines effectively, start with specific keywords or exact phrases. Refine your search by using the search engine's tools to filter by date, country, or file type. To avoid misinformation, evaluate the results by cross-referencing with other sources to confirm accuracy. Use results from trusted, well-known sites. Research the site reviews if you are unsure. In this portion, we will cover cybersecurity awareness. Phishing is a type of cyber attack where attackers impersonate legitimate sources to trick people into giving up sensitive information or downloading malware. Identify phishing attempts by looking for signs like urgent or threatening language, generic greetings, and poor grammar or spelling. Also, be wary of suspicious links, unexpected attachments, and requests for personal information like passwords or financial details. Legitimate companies rarely ask for this information via email, so always verify requests through a separate, trusted channel if you have any doubts. Keep your browser and software updated, use strong passwords with two-factor authentication, and configure your browser's privacy settings. Be cautious of what you click, download, or share, especially on public Wi-Fi, and consider using a VPN, a privacy-focused browser, or private browsing modes. Using Google Drive and OneDrive will save to your cloud storage. Cloud storage includes videos, music, documents, files, contacts, pictures, and Share. Using Share in applications like Word or Docs will provide real-time document collaboration. Sharing and permission settings control who can access files, folders, or apps, and what they can do with them, for example, view or edit. These settings can be managed through the Properties or Settings menu. Digital etiquette includes clear and respectful communication, timely response, business dress code, and professionalism on all calls and meetings. This behavior is expressed on all platforms emailor messaging. Here is a list of some, but not all, digital tools commonly used in the workplace. Download these tools on your device for future use. Practice using applications on your own. Continue your education using typing practice sites such as typing.com.